What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Daily Frankie Candles live stream every weekday here at 5:45 p.m. right after Around the Blockchain. DZ gives you guys a little show and then he throws you guys to me. Let me see ATB crew up in chat. If you guys were hanging out in ATB, let me know what was going on in there. Was it a good episode? Let me know. What's going on, guys? Thank you for being here. We got 67 people in here right now, 70 now. People just shuffling in. Thank you all for being here. Make sure you hit that like button. We're missing our wheel. I will grab that in a second. But if you guys want to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure, definitely hit that like button. For every 100 likes you get a spin on the wheel. Every spin on the wheel, you get 2 chances to get a giveaway. So definitely hit that like button if you have not already. Guys, who was in the morning BitBoy Crypto live stream? Let me know if you guys saw the morning stream. You know, the intro ended, the camera faded to the set, and it was not Ben, it was me. I had the absolute pleasure to kick off the BitBoy Crypto morning live stream today. First time I ever did it, so maybe a little bit nervous, but hope to do it again here in the future. Had a great time, super fun. They were roasting me in the comments for saying, you know, which is funny. Because I know I am, I know I do say a lot. I'm trying to work on that, but I never thought, I didn't think I was said you know that much. So interesting to see. Good for me to know because I didn't know I said that a lot. So gonna try to work on that. But thank you. I saw some of the CandleMafia in there. You guys are the best, showing some support. You guys got my back on that morning live stream. Frank, you did great this morning. Thank you, Matt Stevens. I appreciate you. Crypto Anon, I appreciate you. Let's see. Crypto Billy couldn't make the live stream. No problem. No problem, Crypto Billy. Crypt TKO says, killed it. Thank you. Nicely done this morning. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, DZ had to take over. That's right. Heck yeah. Frank, you killed it. Thank you. You guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. I appreciate you guys. I saw Lal DZ looked high though. Yeah, he was saying that. People were saying he looked like he had smoked a little something before he got on there. I can assure you he didn't. But we were joking about that. It was funny. Apparently everybody thought he was messed up or something, but he wasn't. Maybe so. I mean, it is in the morning, right? I mean, 11:30 is still technically the morning. Maybe it's just a little tired. But yeah, I appreciate you guys showing love in the chat. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully I get to do that again here soon. I had a blast. That was super fun. Just being able to say welcome to BitBoy Crypto is such a fun thing to say. Awesome reel today. Oh yeah, Jacob, you like that? I like that too. Thank you. I appreciate you. Guys, we have a great show today. We're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. As always, I'm going to let you know what I'm thinking. Am I bullish? Am I bearish? Where am I leaning? What can happen? And I know some people were saying the title. I get it, guys. People are always saying, is this the bottom? Is this the bottom? It's because we're asking the question. It is also very difficult to make titles every single day. But I do see a lot of people on YouTube starting to talk about, it seems like people are starting to flip their sentiment a little bit. People are starting to feel a little more bullish than they have in the past. So I did just want to, a lot of people are saying this could be the bottom. That's why I have it in the title, because we're going to take a look at it. I'm going to let you know what I think. We're going to take a look at the altcoins, and we're going to be announcing our Cardano NFT winners. Now, little caveat here. I was unable to get the NFTs today. Obviously, you guys, the winners will receive an NFT, but I won't be able to show them to you because I don't have them yet. I'm trying to get more Cardano into my Nami wallet because I gave it all away. I didn't realize I was that low on funds. So let me know, do you guys want to pick the winner on Monday, or do you want to just call the winners today and then you get surprised with a random NFT? I think that might be fun too. I'm going to talk to DZ and make sure we get a really good, we'll get a good Cardano NFT, one that's cool, and then one that, it's a good project, right? So let me know if you guys want to call the winners today, or you want to wait until Monday where I can show the NFTs, or if you're down to get surprised if you win, let me know what you guys think in chat, and then maybe we'll announce them today, maybe we'll announce them Monday. Okay, I'm already seeing Monday. I'm bullish for at least a couple hours. Okay, all right, Ill Hero, I see that. Yeah, guys, let me know about that NFT, the NFT stuff, and then we'll kind of decide based off of what you guys think. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make a poll because that'll be easier for me to keep an eye on. Surprise NFT. Announce winners today. Announce NFT winners today. Yes, no. Yeah. So if you guys want to wait until Monday, say no to this. So let me know what you guys think. I feel like it's a weird way to ask this question, but yeah, let me know in the poll, and whatever we wind up landing on, I will either call the winner today, or maybe we'll wait till Monday. If we call it today, again, you guys won't know what the NFT you win will be. But either way, I mean, if you win the NFT, it's either going to be what I bought, or I'm just, it doesn't really matter to you guys because you just won't be able to see it beforehand, but you're still going to get the NFT. So let me know what you guys think. And then Frankie busting out the polls lately. Yeah, Crypto Billy, absolutely. I got to know what you guys are feeling. But yeah, guys, thank you for being here. Gonna take a look at Bitcoin, taking a look at the altcoins at the end of the stream. We'll do a little Q&A, and then yeah, it's gonna be a good time. And then we're also gonna talk about some on-chain stuff going on with Bitcoin. 187,000 Bitcoin removed from exchanges since June. We're going to take a look at that. What could it mean for the markets? And like I said, a lot of YouTubers are starting to feel a little more bullish, thinking this is the bottom. So we're going to take a look. I'm going to let you guys know what I think. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into these charts. Okay, here we are on the weekly for Bitcoin, right? Let's turn on Market Cipher A. Blood Diamond still looming, unfortunately. We got 2 days and 3 hours, guys. This weekend, we will find out what this VWAP and this money flow is going to do. Are we going to confirm this Blood Diamond, or are we going to turn around? I think we might confirm this Blood Diamond, unfortunately, but still up 2 days and 3 hours. So let's hope it goes away. Either way, Bitcoin, make up your mind. We're going up or we're going down. Pick one. So if we go down, we can buy, or if we go up, we can take the rest of our profit. Just make your mind up. I'm just sick of this. But yeah, let's so weekly blood diamond, kind of the same old stuff. And then the 2 week, you know, now I was talking about this on the BitBoy Crypto live stream, right? On the 2 week, right, we have money flow. Actually, it was coming up. It's starting to round off. This is interesting. This is interesting. You got 9 days to confirm this, 9 days to confirm this candle. But, you know, money flow this morning at least was curving upward, which is decent. But you do have the VWAP coming to crossing over the zero line to the downside. We are getting a red dot on the momentum wave. So we could see some down, you know, why can't I talk? Some downward price action. I don't know why I'm saying that so weird. But, you know, could see some more downside here in the future. Obviously, weekly looking basically like a bear market. Looking like just like 2018. Not going to cover it too much. I know we go over it all the time. But yeah, so that's kind of, you know, the 2 week. I know some people are saying this is a hidden bullish divergence, but I mean, the 2 week has looked like this for a while and people just started talking about it now. So I don't really know why people were ignoring it before, but you know, I'm going to stick with my original sentiment, guys. I feel bearish because of the way this weekly looks. Money is completely leaving the asset on the weekly. And now even on the 2 week, it was curving up, but we are starting to curve back down with that VWAP slightly. So, you know, not that good of a look. Taking a look at the 5 day, right? We got this little trigger wave starting to play out, starting to come down below that zero line. I think this could bring us down a bit. 3 day, right? Money flow in the red, VWAP starting to round off there, but you did get the red dot here. Could come down a little bit more. And, you know, 2 day, kind of the same thing. Money flow coming back out. You know, VWAP starting to curve back up, but, you know, money flow, well, generally money flow is coming up, but we are pointing down with that wave. Here, hang on. There you guys go. We are starting to curve down with that money flow wave, right? Kind of came up, coming down, curved up, and now we're starting to tiny bit right there, starting to curve down. So, you know, money flow just kind of coming out. Let's check our 6 day. As you guys know, we do have a blood diamond on the 6 day. Let's see if it's, yeah, we still got that blood diamond on the 6 day right here. Remove my drawings here. Blood diamond on the 6 day, right? You know, and then last time we had this, I mean, again, right before that money flow crossover, before that 50% drop, this could be, we could be in the same spot as 2018 as this blood diamond right here, where you just have the blood diamond, you come down, you kind of bing bong around, go sideways, and then dump off. You know, so that is kind of how, you know, kind of what I'm thinking. It's really not looking good. I know we are currently pumping. You know, I know we are currently kind of coming up. We've reclaimed 40K, which isn't a bad sign. But just coming down to these lower time frames, right? Actually, let me get my drawings back. You know, we have reclaimed. We are back over 40K, coming in right now at about $40,435. So, I mean, it's a good sign that we're above 40K. I just don't know if we're going to hold it. Now, let's look at these lower time frames, right? Let's just check on the daily real quick. You know, daily money flow, right? Curving up towards that zero line. We could get rejected, but the VWAP is also coming up here, as you can see. VWAP starting to curve over and round off. You know, kind of starting to round off there with the yellow VWAP wave. Money flow kind of coming up towards that zero line. So, you know, kind of, you know, if that VWAP maybe could drag us back into the green, but when you're in the red on the daily, it's typically not a good look. Let's come down to the 4 hour and see if we've got anything worth looking at here. I'm just going to get rid of this. There we go. Okay. So, you know, money flow starting to curve up on the 4 hour here. We do have this little trigger wave right here. With the green dot, VWAP coming down though, right? When that VWAP crosses down, we could be coming down. That could drag that money flow back down deeper. And
in case the VWAP goes down.
Oh no!
I need it now.
Guys, DZ, we got DZ over here.
Oh, I wasn't in frame.
Is it? What's going on, guys? DZ_BTC. Dude, I was telling them they were roast. I looked at the comments on the morning stream. They were roasting me for saying, you know, I'm an guy. I say a lot. Apparently, you know is the new one.
What would you rather have, or you know? You got to have something.
Yeah, I think you know is probably better.
The lesser
than
of two evils.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so you won't need this if the VWAP crosses over.
No, maybe later. Okay. Guys, DZ_BTC, and we got Taco in the background. Taco's coming on to say hi. Oh, DZ, actually, question. We have 2 Cardano NFTs. We got Taco, 2 Cardano NFTs to give away in a reasonable price range because I am giving them away out of my own pocket. Do you have any projects on the top of your head that might be good to give away?
20, 40, 60, 20.
2040, 2040.
Ada Ninjas.
Ada Ninjas.
They have the manga coming out.
Okay.
So get them season 1 Aramar.
Okay.
They're around that range.
All right.
If that's a little high, go to season 2.
Okay.
Still a bullish project.
There we go. Boom. There you guys go. Maybe Ada Ninjas will be the NFTs that we give away on Monday or maybe tonight, depending on what you guys say on the poll. But yeah, there you go. I didn't think we were going to find our NFTs live on stream here, but look at that. We did. DZ came in, popped in, gave us that little NFT alpha. Definitely go follow DZ and Justin and Taco on NFT Alpha. If you guys are into NFTs, flipping NFTs, making money with NFTs, buying Lambos with NFTs, whatever, definitely go follow NFT Alpha. But anyway, guys, with the VWAP coming down on the 4-hour here, I think the money could drag the money flow down a little deeper here. And you can also see here with the momentum waves starting to cut through. You have the light blue starting to cut through, the blue. Almost impossible, probably impossible for you guys to see right there, but it's just starting to tick over, possibly creating another downward wave. So that is worth noting here. Now, you do have momentum coming up, but you're not making lower lows on the price. So no bullish divergence here, unfortunately. Now, let's come on down to the 2-hour. DZ dropping that NFT sauce. Absolutely. DZ's got all the NFT sauce. He is part Italian. So, he's got some sauce too. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. You know what's up, Candles. Let's go. DZ said you had a footstool earlier. Guys, that's right. I'm actually only 4'11". So I do have to stand. It's actually a footstool on top of a bunch of phone books. No, I'm kidding. I'm 6 foot. I'm 6 foot even, dead even. But yeah. All right. So kind of still battling this 40K area, starting to hold it here. So not the worst look. 2-hour money flow coming down with the VWAP, right? Coming down with the VWAP, and no bearish divergence here, but you do have a decent anchor wave here. Looks like you might create a little trigger wave here that could bring you down. Actually, I think that money flow just ticked up a little bit. So there you go. I mean, this is the market we're in, guys. It's it's up, down, unpredictable at the moment. Now, coming on down to the 1 hour, right? In the green, money flow coming up actually pretty nicely as the VWAP crosses over that 0 line. And then also, guys, I will pull this up because you guys did say you wanted to see small trades, right? Still in this ETH short from yesterday. Now we're up 96 cents or 50 cents or 64 cents, now 99 cents, 88 cents, right? Actually, real profit here is $2.82, right? Wasn't going to show this to you guys because, it's a very small trade, but you guys said you wanted to see all the trades, so that's fine. We could totally do that. But yeah, just, we were up a lot more yesterday, but just kind of letting this one ride out because it is a smaller amount of money. So just going to let it ride out. And I am feeling somewhat bearish, so I do think we could come back down. Now, again, kind of the same levels we've been talking about, right? Although we have, but this right here is about 40,000, about 40,300, just under. This is the level we're holding right now. Underneath this, obviously we have 40K, and then we have the bottom of our old triangle that we had. This line has been holding up pretty good. We got 1 touch, 2 touch, almost 3 touches. But this should act as some sort of support if we come down to it. And then we do have the golden pocket here coming in at about 3,900. This is where we'll probably see, a decent bounce if we come down here. If we break this, probably not looking good. If that money flow crosses over into the red on the weekly, we could be on our way to, where is it? Down here to the summer lows at about 29K. So kind of the same price targets as yesterday now, because obviously we've just been kind of going sideways, kind of just ranging down here, popped up, came back down. Now we're just kind of going sideways. So kind of the same levels, but, just because of the way the longer time frames look, right? 3-day money flow coming out, right? 4-day money flow coming down, 5-day money flow back into the red. And then the weekly overall, obviously, this is the major bearish time frame here with the money flow and the VWAP, coming down right here. So I do, could we go up from here, I guess, is the big question. And I don't think it's impossible. But, I'm gonna stick with my sentiment of feeling pretty bearish. And maybe I wind up being wrong, and that's fine. That's good for our long-term bags. I mean, you can't call them all, but this is not good. If we cross into the red here, we're at least getting a decent, some decent dump. So gonna have to keep an eye on it. Maybe gonna be an exciting weekend. We'll have to see. But let's go ahead and check chat real quick. Let's see. Frankie, do you use a cold storage wallet? No, I mean, I probably should, but no, I don't. I'm not going to lie to you guys and act like I do if I don't. I probably should. I would recommend, if you have a lot of money in crypto, maybe it's worth putting on a cold storage wallet. For me, I just feel like adding hardware into the whole equation, something can happen to the hardware. You got to plug it in. I don't know. I'm just, it's a safest way to store your crypto. I don't do it. Maybe I should, but I don't. I'm going to tell you guys the truth. But they're awesome. I mean, they're very cool. They definitely the safest way to store your Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't use it. Oh, guys, we did not say what's up to chat. Hang on a second. Let's say what's up to the people here. Who do we got today? We got David. What is going on, David, with the volcanoes, police car, and the siren? Let's get it. Mo Money. What's going on, Mo Money? Thank you for being here. Auto Tech, Andy. What's going on? Scary. It's like Independence Day, alien ship waiting to blast. I see you, Auto Tech. Alaskan BTC, what is going on? Thank you for being here. We got Jimmy Two Shoes, Jimmy Void, Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. What is going on, my man? Thank you for being here as always. Zatoshi, welcome back. Thank you for being here. I think summer is going to be a bloodbath, possibly. And we're going to take a look at that in a second. EXP Show, what is going on? VWAP, Money Flow, Frankie Candles, let's go. B-Man, what's up? Thank you for coming back. 2 week looks like during 2018. Yeah. Crypto Squash, what is up? We've got some potential hidden bullish divergence on the daily. Let's take a look at that. We got Captain Kirk, one of our wonderful mods. We got Tony D and Tyler Durden, our other wonderful mods. Thank you guys so much for what you do. I'd be lost without you guys. I appreciate you for being here. Jay, what's up? David, Live and Learn, what is going on? Brakoshi, what is going on? Crypto Billy, so happy. Crypto Billy, I was thinking about you today. Super cool to meet you, man. Super cool to meet you in Miami. I was just thinking about that randomly today. I was looking through my phone. I took a picture of something and I saw my photo thing and I saw the picture of us all with the CandleMafia t-shirt and, all three of us together. Super cool. Happy I got to meet you, Crypto Billy. You're the man. Zatoshi, what is going on? Let's get a few more here. Eric Ryan, Marcel, David, J Mac, Diamond, Matt, Lane Hughes, welcome back. Michael Snelling, welcome back. Thank you for being here. No, you say right a lot. Yeah, Michael, so that I knew. I say right a lot. I do it in my pre-recorded videos. When I edit my pre-recorded videos, I'm like, oh my God, I got to stop saying that. But I didn't know I said But yeah, you're right. I say right a lot. You're definitely not wrong. Jonathan, Matt, Jacob, let's get a couple more. NBF, what's up? Scott, what are you doing? What's up? How you doing? Ill Hero, what's going on? Neil, Ryan, Crypto Anon, what's going on, brother? And then let's see, Pancho, Tony C, Frank, nice name. Keep it coming. Byron, what's up? Calm, Crypto Billy, we said hi. DJ, and keep it coming. What is going on? Thank you for being here, guys. I appreciate it. We got 166 people in chat. Let's continue our analysis. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. Yeah, so this is kind of what people are talking about. With these hidden bullish divergences. So yeah, when you have your momentum waves or your RSI making lower lows, right, like you see here, and then you have price over here coming up, right? This is a hidden bullish divergence. So these are kind of the things that people are looking at, saying, this could be what brings us up. It's intriguing. It's intriguing because they're definitely popping up on the charts. And finally caught a live show. Main Wayne, what's going on? Welcome to your first live Frankie Candles live stream. Welcome to the Candle Mafia. I hope you stick around. Hit that subscribe button and the like button if you want to win Cardano NFTs. Let's get it. But yeah, these are popping up on some time frames. They're real. They're here. They could bring us up. I just don't know how much they'll bring us up. And if it starts to bring us up and we see the weekly start to turn around, then I'll change my sentiment, right? But we need that information. We need that to happen before we can call that, right? And then, it would make sense also because you do have your VWAP coming up, your money flow coming back up. So maybe you come back into the green here. I just don't know how high it's going to bring you. So we're going to have to wait and find out. Shout out to whoever pointed that out. Thank you for that. The worst is saying, you know what I mean? Know what I mean? Ill Hero, I know what you mean. Rob the Crypto Snob, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Smash the likes for Frankie. Rob the Crypto Snob said it, not me. Let's see. I feel like someone knows something about XRP that we don't. Seems like some buying has been going on. Yeah, we're going to cover XRP. We're definitely going to take a look at XRP as it is making moves currently. Let's see. Supreme, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Let's see. We can take a look at Elron. Just save it for the little later in the stream. That's when we look at the altcoins. Arculus wallet, super fast and easy storage. Okay. All right. Yeah, Arculus. I have seen those. I actually have one, but I'm not currently using it. Made my own channel. Michael Snelly made your own channel. Throw the name of it in there. I'd like to check it out. Let's see. Got tired of looking over hubby's shoulder. Let's see. Hey, Frankie, what should BTC do for the weekly blood diamond to disappear? So for the weekly blood diamond, let's take a look at it real quick. Let's get our lines back. Okay. Weekly blood diamond, right? So this is what he's talking about right here. Now, so to be 100% honest, I don't know exactly what goes into calculating the blood diamonds. I think it has something to do with like really tight trigger waves, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it has to do with the money flow and the VWAP coming down, but I'm not 100% sure. So maybe if we see this VWAP find support and come up a little higher, or this money flow come up a little higher, we lose the red dot, maybe the diamond disappears, but it's hard to say. Now, switching over to regular candles, you are starting to cross over into the red with the money flow. So that is worth noting. We don't want to confirm this. This would not be bullish. All right. So you guys kind of know the levels we're looking at, kind of the same ones that we've been looking at for the past, past few days here as we're just kind of moving sideways. Let's come down to the 1 hour. We'll see this, our daily VWAP coming up. This is the 1 hour, but on the daily, that VWAP coming up, I mean, it might bring you, it's got to bring you up something, right? I mean, it is the daily VWAP. But let me try to find a area, like it could wind up being something like, like this, but in the opposite way, right? So you see how this VWAP just kind of came down for a second, came right back up. You still got a decent move. But then it came right back up. Maybe we see something like that on the daily money flow, on the daily VWAP crossover. But, we actually are starting to get a little rejected here. But if we come up, I mean, I think you will come up at least somewhat. Maybe you come up and get rejected off this level at about 41.3. So keep your eye out for that. Watch for that VWAP crossover on the daily, and then watch this level here for a rejection. Let's see. Bada boom, bada boom. That's scary looking, not gonna lie. It's obvious price has to go up. I hope so. Let's see. Okay, yeah, Enrique, please keep track of me saying because I'm really curious. I really don't catch myself saying it. Oh my God, hang on a second. Happy birthday to Captain Kirk. Oh my God, I almost forgot. Well, not that I forgot, but I forgot to say something about it. Guys, it's Captain Kirk's birthday. Let's all wish her a very happy birthday in chat. She helps the channel out a lot. She helps you guys out a lot in chat. She's awesome. Happy birthday. Happiest of birthdays to you, Captain Kirk. I love you and appreciate you and everything you do. I'll sing happy birthday really, really fast for you. Because as you know, Captain Kirk, I can't rap nor can I sing. But here you go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Captain Kirk. Happy birthday to you. Boom. Bing bong. Happy birthday, Captain Kirk. I appreciate you. I'm so happy that we know each other and you're able to help me out with the channel. You're the best. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All right, guys. So that's kind of what I'm feeling on Bitcoin. Kind of overall bearish. I do think we might be able to come up a little bit with this daily money flow. Daily VWAP crossover, if we can get the money flow to come up too. I do think we can come up a little bit, but I just want to let you guys know, overall, I'm still feeling not great. But, maybe a little short-term bounce off of here we could see. But we're going to have to see what happens and, let things play out. Now, let's go ahead and take a look, check in on the DXY, right? Continuing to show strength, right? Which is not good for good old Bitcoin over here, right? So, obviously we broke out of this resistance level here and we are starting to run. And we did show this yesterday, but I will show it one more time. Could we be on our way to reject off of this level here? This is what I'm looking for on the DXY. I am looking to possibly, I don't know if we're going to come up all the way to this line, but I am looking, if we do make it over here, I am looking for a hard rejection off of this line, in which case this could be where we see a little bit of a run for Bitcoin. So they obviously the DXY, US dollar index, and Bitcoin move inverse of each other. So Bitcoin goes up, DXY goes down, DXY goes up, Bitcoin goes down. As it continues to run, I am looking for this level here at about 102 to get rejected off of, maybe coming back down to test this golden pocket. And then let's just go ahead and check the SPY real quick. Here we go. Zoom in a little bit. This is the weekly. We don't want the weekly. Let's go to the 4-hour, right? And fighting for this, fighting for this support, right? I mean, this is kind of like a general area. Let me get my rectangle. So I would say, from here to about here is your support, right? We are starting to wick below this, right? But we are finding somewhat support. If we could catch support on this, support level and come up, this could be good for Bitcoin as the SPY moves with Bitcoin. So if we get some positive price action on the SPY, this could bring Bitcoin back up, but we are dancing on this support zone. So if we lose this, probably not going to be looking too good for Bitcoin, but we're going to have to keep an eye on it. Just got home from work. What's up, everyone? Jack Destiny, what is up? Thank you for being here. Frankie, are you feeling confident on 39K support or thinking it's more probable to go lower? Let's take a look. 39K, let's see. All right, so yeah, so I'll be honest. So I do think we can get a bounce off of here, but I don't know how. I would say I'm somewhat confident. I'm not like, guys, there's a big golden pocket. It's not a major golden pocket. We could see a bounce off of here, but I'm not really. I think if we come back down and touch this level, I think it's going to be a pretty aggressive drop off. So I think we could break through it. So I'll say that. Markets were closed today. +5 right. All right, so we got Rob the Crypto Snob counting the rights, and then we got Ill Hero, I think, counting the knows. Yeah, I would like to know. But yeah, late again, no problem, Sam. We're just getting started here. Tony D, Ben is an all-in guy, so when he is bearish and bullish, he is very exuberant about it. +9, is that true? Or are you guys trolling me? Maybe I do say a lot. All right, I'm not going to say anymore after I just said it, Oh, man. No, I'm just kidding, guys. All right. So, by the way, today's energy is brought to you by good old Black Coffee. Jimmy Two Shoes, where you at? Salud, my paisan. That's my coffee friend over here. We got just have some cappuccino and shoot the talk about Bitcoin, I'll say. Looking at 1 week, we've double topped and bear flag. What do you think on BTC? Chalupalatine, I don't know how to say your name, but no, they're not trolling. Okay, wow. Okay, so just don't count my ums. Let me say let me work on the knows. 12 now. Oh God. All right. I think I might have just pointed it out, so now it's like really, really obvious. You guys are funny though. But yeah. So yeah, the 1 week we've double topped. Yeah, I mean, let's see. On the weekly, right? Yeah, obviously, boom. I mean, pretty self-explanatory here. You got your, it is a double top. Let me get my marker here, right? Boom, boom. And then typically you come down, and we are creating a bear flag here. This is a bearish pattern. This is a bearish pattern. Even on the daily, you can see it. You can see it even better on the daily. So let's see. Let's get our parallel channel. Boom. So I'm just going to rough this out, guys. So yeah, so here, right, this is a bear flag. This is a bear flag. It is a bearish continuation pattern. So you come in from a downtrend, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, zoot, and then you come down. So this is kind of what's making me feel bearish. We are in a bear flag on the daily, and I guess the weekly too. Technically, it's probably showing as a bear flag. Yeah. So you come down, you bing bong, and then you drop. This blood diamond could be marking the end of this bear flag. This could be where Bitcoin just dumps out of this bear flag. That's why I'm feeling bearish. I mean, there's a lot of bearish stuff on the charts, guys. I know maybe we're finding a bottom, but I don't think it's impossible, but I'm just definitely feeling a little more bearish. So we never got a blood diamond on the weekly. That's not good. But we have to wait for it to confirm. Let's see. Never noticed the knows until it was brought up. Yeah, I think I might have opened a can of worms there. Weekly bear flag almost complete. Yeah, Satoshi for sure. Right? I wouldn't worry about how many times you repeat words. We are here and love you no matter what. Hey, Stephen Young, I love you unconditionally. Absolutely. I appreciate that. Okay, guys, I'm feeling good. It's Friday. I'm feeling good. Just dropped in to say hello and hit that like button. Have a great weekend. Lucky Shot, I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. And have a good night. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Hey, Michael Snellen, I am here. Wait, weren't you in here before? I thought you were in here before. Sicily, let's go. Crypto Royale, Sicily. That's where I'm from. I never lived there, but my family's from there. What's up, Frankie? Bring the sauce. Rickster, I got you. Watch out for the bear flag on the daily and the weekly. I mean, it's showing through a lot of time frames, but this is kind of making me feel bearish. I'm not gonna lie. I know a few people are starting to feel bullish. And speaking of feeling bullish, so now people I feel like are starting to say that maybe we found a bottom, maybe we're starting to come up. Let's pull up this article here. 187,000 Bitcoin drained over Bitcoin drained. Over 2 billion in Bitcoin leaves the top exchanges since June. Right. So do they have the Glassnode chart on here? Okay, so basically, this is the Bitcoin price in green, and then the Bitcoin balance on exchanges. So you know what? I was gonna read through this, but I think I just wanted to bring this up. I'll just read a little bit here. In February, Coinbase had 1 million Bitcoin under management, and today reserves are down over 9% as 92,000 Bitcoin, $1 billion worth, have left the exchange. Today, according to BitUniverse's online exchange balance rank tracker, the San Francisco trading platform has 908 million Bitcoin under management. 36,000 Bitcoin, $408 million left Coinbase since news. Bitcoin.com, news.bitcoin.com's reserve report published on June 30th, 2020, a number of top exchanges below Coinbase have also seen cold wallets drained during the last 3 months. Wait, what is it? This is from 2022, April 15th. Is this an old article? No, I don't think it is. But yeah, oh no, yeah, October 16th. This is the wrong article, guys. Either way, we had it pulled up on the BitBoy Crypto live stream. Actually funny because there was $2 billion in Bitcoin leaving exchanges recently. Yeah, I was like, since June. What is that? What's going on with that? So wrong article, but same idea, kind of the same thing, right? We have basically the same exact article, $2 billion worth of Bitcoin leaving exchanges. Now, what does this mean, guys? What does this mean? Frankie keeps reading my comments as his. Oh, Mickey Snelling. Oh my God. Okay, so I knew I saw Snelling in there somewhere. I knew it. But yeah, guys. So what does this mean? Bitcoin leaving exchanges is typically a bullish sign. So I really wanted to say right there, but I wasn't going to. So $2 billion worth of Bitcoin leaving exchanges, right? Typically, what this means is usually when you see USD. Or when you see Bitcoin leaving exchanges, right, it's people taking their Bitcoin off the exchanges to put them in cold storage or some other type of storage to hold long term, right? So this is a bullish thing. So it's kind of I don't know. The charts look like garbage, but people are pulling money off their exchanges. Let me just see because they had. Let me just see real quick. Bitcoin leaving exchanges. Let me see if I could find the actual article that we were looking at today. March 21st. Yeah, I don't know where they got that article from. I can't find it. But typically when you see Bitcoin leaving exchanges, it's a bullish thing because people are taking their Bitcoin off exchanges and holding it long term, right? And on the other end, if you see a bunch of Bitcoin entering exchanges, and then that's essentially a bearish sign, right? Because when people that's people taking their Bitcoin from cold storage and putting it on exchanges to sell it, right? So when you see a lot of Bitcoin flowing into exchanges, I think Whale Alert on Twitter, they put up alerts telling you like if Bitcoin is entering or exiting exchanges. So when a large amount of Bitcoin is entered onto an exchange, you can expect a sell-off, being that, whales are taking their Bitcoin, putting it back on the exchange to sell. So the fact that we have Bitcoin entering exchanges, leaving exchanges, that is somewhat of a bullish sign. I think it was actually, about $1 billion came on and $1 billion came off. So I think it was like the net was that like 980 million or something like that were taken off. Not 980 Bitcoin, but $980 million, almost $1 billion worth of Bitcoin taken off exchanges. So definitely a bullish, definitely somewhat of a bullish sign. But, I don't know if that means that we're just going to rocket up from here. So, but I did just want to bring that up because that's another bullish puzzle piece that is making a lot of people feel bullish, is that the fact that the Bitcoin's coming off of the exchanges, as well as some of the bullish things that they're seeing on the charts. But I just feel like the bearish stuff is outweighing the bullish stuff. The weekly is looking like garbage. I just don't know. I'm feeling more bearish. I don't know what to say. Let's see. My one mistake for the year. Okay. Do you have any shorts open? Also, do you still trade Atom? Says Mammon, what is going on? I do have a small ETH short open, very small, up about $11 right now, or 5%. So, and again, guys, when I talk about these percentages, right, I'm up 5% right now. So let's just say I'm up 10% right now for the sake of the argument, right? Now, all you have to do is add zeros, right? So, like I said, when you're trading, if you could get 10% a day, whatever it is, 10%, 5% a day with a small amount of money, the money gained on a small trade like this, if I cut out at 5% right now, is whatever, $11. I'll get a sandwich or something. Not bad, but you want to focus on being able to get those winning percentages, right? So if you can get 10% every day, 10% every day, 10% every day, it's not going to happen every day. You're going to lose some trades, but as long as you're winning more than you're losing and your wins are bigger than your losses, you're going to be profitable over time. And then once you see that you're able to make a certain percentage consistently over time, then you could just scale your trades up, right? So right now I have $231 in the trade. And let's say I'm just starting out and, I'm getting 10% today, 10% tomorrow, and I'm able to consistently get some sort of percentage that I'm looking for. I could just add a zero onto that, right? And then start trading with $2,300 or whatever it is, or add another 100 on, or add another 200 on, whatever it is, double it. But just focus on winning the trades and then scale your position sizes up from here. And then obviously 15x, a little higher than I usually trade with. I don't usually trade with 15x. I usually trade between like 3 and 10. But this is a small amount of money. I'm comfortable with, how much I would lose. And I'm watching it very closely. So I'm not going to get liquidated. So I just wanted to point that out for you guys. So I am in a small short right now, but no major positions at the moment. Did you see article I posted in Discord about President Biden announces formal Ripper? Yeah, guys, this is huge. This is huge. So what do you guys think about this? So yeah, let me pull up that article too. I think we're going to start pulling up some more articles, not like more technical stuff or actual coin-based stuff, right? Like XRP. Biden announces XRP. Let's see if it'll pop up. Okay, cool. All right. So this is very interesting, guys. This is very interesting. Let me just pull this up for you. President Biden announces former Ripple advisor as pick for Fed vice chair for supervision. Following the withdrawal of former Federal Reserve Board Governor Sarah Bloom, Sarah Bloom Raskin, United States President Joe Biden has announced his intention to nominate former Obama administration official, the law professor Michael Barr as central bank's chair for supervision. Let me just make sure. Yeah, 5 hours ago. I was just to make sure I'm not bringing up another old article. In a Friday announcement, the White House said Barr was Biden's pick to supervise the Federal Reserve and set the regulatory agenda for its leadership. Barr was on the advisory board of Ripple Labs from 2015 to 2017, served as the Treasury Department's Assistant Secretary for Financial Institutions under former President Barack Obama, and taught courses on financial regulation at the University of Michigan. According to the White House, he was a key architect of the Dodd-Frank Act legislation that continues to influence financial policy in the United States. According to the U.S. president, he wanted to move Barr's nomination forward quickly, given the vice chair for supervision position has been vacant since Fed Governor Randall Quarles' term ended in October 2021. Ohio Senator Sherrod Brown, who chairs the Senate Banking Committee, said he would support the nomination, citing the need for a full Fed board. Guys, what do you guys think about this? This is pretty crazy. Let's see. Chris, you just joined. Who joined? How do I join the mafia? Christopher, I'm looking at you, Christopher. You are now, due to this $1,000 in $100 bills, you are now officially a part of the CandleMafia. You have officially been jumped into the CandleMafia. Welcome to the best channel on YouTube, where I show you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. Back to the news. Welcome, Christopher. Thank you for being here. Guys, this is big. This is interesting, right? You see XRP starting to get, or Ripple, the XRP versus SEC, right? It's kind of shady. They're in this lawsuit. They're getting attacked by the SEC. And it's taken a really long time. It's getting pushed back. Why do they need... This is crazy. This is huge, guys. Word, love the show. Christopher, thank you. I appreciate you. Is Ripple working with are they going to start working with the SEC? Is this whole lawsuit just kind of let's meet Ripple and talk to them about how maybe we can use them? Is this good for the lawsuit? Is this moving things forward? Just think about what this could do if this actually winds up happening. Show video of the interns picking up the cash being thrown. Satoshi, I dream of the day I have an intern picking up my money. Unfortunately, when I leave the stream, I go, all right, guys, that's all I got. Frankie Candle's out. We put up the sweet thumbnail, and then I get up sad, and I just pick the money up by myself. It's a sad sight, but you got to do what you got to do. But yeah, so look at you guys welcoming Christopher. We got the best community. Christopher, you're welcomed. You're wanted here. So yeah, you're part of the family. You got no choice. But yeah, so less than 20 cities, so Mrs. Big Extra people. Okay. But yeah, guys, this could be huge. Are we going to see this SEC lawsuit with XRP end soon? I think this is definitely a bullish. This is definitely a bullish puzzle piece in that whole debacle with the Ripple and the XRP, Ripple and the SEC. So very, very interesting. When I found this out, I was like, wait, what? You're kidding, right? So I don't know. It's interesting. It's really interesting. Like the fact that there's even someone involved with Ripple that Biden wants to put in anything government related is just so interesting to me. Guys, is Ripple going to be the cross-border payment solution for banks? It seems like we're moving in that direction. I'm not saying it's happening. I'm just saying it's very interesting that the fact that Ripple is even coming out of the president's mouth, not regarding the lawsuit, is the word Ripple coming out of Joe Biden's mouth is just a very interesting thing to me. Just very, very, very interesting. So I just did want to point that out to you guys because that is definitely a huge, huge, huge story. What do you guys think? I would love to know. Probably part of the settlement. We will agree if you give him a chair. Peebo, what's going on? Welcome back, Peebo. Thank you for being here. But yeah, so yeah, also very interesting. So let's go ahead and take a look at the XRP chart. So as you guys know, There it is. Blood Diamond on the weekly. But let's go to the 1 hour and see what we're dealing with here, right? Little Popski for XRP. Little nice 12% from the bottom of these wicks here. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Now, this pump started yesterday. So, yeah, I don't know when that news broke. I guess it broke today. So I don't know. Were there some people that knew this might happen and they jumped in and they pumped the price a little bit. Is XRP about to move, guys? This is exciting. Does Jeb from Stellar still own XRP? Does Jeb from Stellar still owe XRP every month? I don't follow XRP enough. I'm actually not 100% sure there's Satoshi. In the next bull run, BTC will be priced in XRPs. Interesting. I hope it's good. I have huge XRP bag. Yeah, me too, Freedom. What are your thoughts on Solana? We could talk about that. And this is why I have 60% of my net worth in XRP. Hey, Audi trades. I got a big old bag of XRP too. If this thing could run, I would be very appreciative. So, hey, Joe Biden, Mr. President, if you're watching this, come on, just let him go. Let him go. Let us run. Let us get rich. It's not going to be too many people. Not everybody has XRP. I know not everybody could be rich, but just let the XRP army get a bag. Come on. But yeah, Bing Bong, so saucy. Mr. A, or Al as we call him. Thank you for being here. Let's get it, CandleMafia. Bada bing. But guys, this is huge. So let's see. Are we gonna have a big move coming for XRP very soon here? I think it could be creeping up. The real question is this going to kick off the bull run again, right? Because if Bitcoin, honestly, like one of the only things that I think can really bring us out of how bearish we're looking right now is a spot ETF. We were talking about this the other day on the Bitcoin Crypto Stream. Spot ETF and a XRP settlement in the favor of XRP. Maybe that could bring us back in. Maybe that could turn these charts around. But if we don't start seeing anything soon, I do think we're probably going to come down a little bit here. Let's see. Regular candles. Let's check it. Regular candles. You ask, you shall receive. There you go. Regular candles. Bada boom. Not sure if it means much, but XRP and XLM both pumped at the same time yesterday. Yeah, I mean, XRP and people always compare Stellar and XRP. They're very similar. I kind of think of Stellar as the peer-to-peer payment solution. So if Frankie Candles wanted to send you, Neil, if I wanted to send Neil Derriman, I don't know how to say her last name, but if I wanted to send Neil some money, I would send him using Stellar, right? Super fast. They're very similar in their speeds. They both send very quick. Their transaction time is very quick. And then XRP would be the cross-border payment solution for banks. So they kind of pump together, I guess, just because a lot of people compare them. They're very similar, but slightly different use cases. I'm thinking it'll run for about 30% at least. I hope so. God, I would love to be a fly on the wall watching Biden, watching Frankie. Who's this young man in this magic? Can we change the channel to Gunsmoke? Who said that? Oh, Enrique, you're a funny dude. You're a funny dude. Look at all the manipulation. You got that right. Imagine XRP 50 bucks. Oh, baby. Let's see. Check the 15-minute. Let's check the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, this is let's go ahead and take a look here. Boom. Whatever. Sloppy lines. Sue me. Yeah, I don't know. Oh God, this is fun. This is fun, guys. Yeah, I mean, you guys know what this is. I mean, look at this. Whoop, whoop. Bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong. Breakout, no trade. You don't trade this. You wait for the retest. That's where you enter. And then a lot of the time, you get a move to the upside. So are we going to see a further run for XRP here? And if we do, where can it go? Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, let's see. Whoa. All right, let's see here. Let me go ahead and let me just go ahead and drag this over, get our fib levels. All right, so zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so I mean, let's come to a lower time frame. Let's go back to the 15-minute, right? I don't know. I don't know. This fib might be off a little bit. I'm working on a small screen here. But essentially, you're getting rejected from this fib level. You hopped off, bounced, came back down, rejected, breakout, tested as support. Are we going to work our way up to this next fib level at about 81 cents? You're getting the VWAP. You got the money flow crossover on the 15-minute right here. Boom. Money flow crossover. VWAP coming up. Green dot. Could come up a little bit here, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. Yeah, money flow on the 10-minute coming up. Money flow on the 5-minute coming up. Lower time frame money flow coming up. 18-minute. 18-minute coming down. But starting to curve right back up towards that zero line. We'll have to see what happens here. Check the 30-minute. 30-minute in the green, VWAP coming down. 45-minute, 90-minute in the green. VWAP crossover on the 90-minute. Starting to, yeah, look at this. This is, ooh, baby. That thing wants to cross over. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Let's check these higher time frames. Let's go 2 hour, right? Money flow coming up, 2 hour VWAP, about to print that green dot, or, getting close to printing that green dot. Could you come back up? Let's see. Money flow crossover, yeah, that 4 hour money flow crossover. Guys, is XRP going to move? Are we going to get a move on XRP here very soon? That's water. I don't want the water. I want the coffee. Give me the coffee. Bing MF Bong. Let's get it, Jeremy. Let's get it. Frankie Pepitos. Hey, J Money, what's up? Frankie Pepitos, how we doing? Hey, great hair, my guy. Hey, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Jeremy, you're the man. Thank you. Jeremy. J Money, you're the man. Thank you. Guess who's back again. Wick is back. Buying Zinfin. Fin. Is that what you got? Is that what you're talking about, Wick? Wick is out here. Wick's out here rapping. Let's go. Biden is long on neck. Who said that? XRP Shillbilly. You I don't want to get political, or I don't know if, I'm not a political guy, just so you guys know. I'm not that political, but I don't want to get too far into this whole thing, but you're a funny guy. You're a funny guy. We got funny people in here. Backtest long. Yeah, exactly. Crypt TKO. Absolutely. Let's see exactly what I'm seeing. Jeremy, yes, absolutely. Are we going to get a move for XRP here, guys? I'm getting approached. What is going on? Okay, I don't know. Guys, what is happening? Okay, guys, so this is my cardboard box. I don't know what was in the cardboard box. Okay. Oh God. All right. Okay. I don't know.
I got caught leverage trading again.
It's BJ. What's up, BJ? All right. Well, I will say this. You never know what BJ is going to bring on the stream. There you go. He brought a mop bucket neck last time. Who knows? That's BJ. He's our technical director. He does all the live streaming stuff. The reason this live stream looks as good as it does is because of BJ. So give it up for BJ. You never know what's going to happen. Sometimes you just see a cardboard box approaching you, and you don't know who's inside. This time it was BJ. Maybe it'll be DZ next time, or maybe Ben. Maybe Ben comes in a box. Who knows? But guys, yeah, looking at XRP, this is looking good. This 4 hour money flow crossover, if we back test this, let's go ahead and see what this has done in the past. I'm behind on my coffee today, guys. Sorry. Let's see. Money flow crossover right here, right? Let me just zoom in. Zoom in and get a better look here. Boom. You came back into the red. You got the crossover right here. So I'm going to measure it from here. So you crossed over initially right here, and then you came back into the red. But let's just measure it from here. Came up 24%. I think that we could possibly be seeing a move for XRP here in the future. It technically is looking pretty decent with that 4-hour money flow crossover, looking like it wants to go. You know, and the 3-hour VWAP curving up, money flow coming up. I think we might be able to see this thing move a little bit. And then just so you guys know, you do have a little resistance right here at about 79, you know, probably, you know, where's 80 cents? Yeah, I guess 80 cents is up there. But you do have a little bit of resistance here. Actually, we got rejected here. Let's just draw it to there. You know, rejected, 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 rejected. So, you know, we got rejected here again. This is at about 80 cents. Yeah, about 80 cents. Can we get a run back up to 80 cents? Might have to not. I don't know how I feel about Ben would need a smaller box. You guys are crazy. Jack, I see you. Now that was funny, BJ. Yeah, BJ out here. Brad Pitt voice. What's in the box? I don't know how Brad Pitt sounds. I don't know how to do a Brad Pitt voice, to be honest with you. Best line of the show so far. Maybe Ben comes in a box. Guys, how funny would it be if a box just approached us and like Ben just pops his head out? That'd be so epic. I'm gonna try to get him to do that. That'd be hilarious. Oh, Enrique. Enrique, I love you. I love you for counting these words. I hate myself for saying them. But thank you for keeping me updated. XRP does look good. You know, yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go to the DGen 1-minute chart and see what we're working with here. Yeah, baby. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's looking primed. You're getting that 5-minute money flow crossover. I think I'm going to drag Femex onto my other screen for no apparent reason. I'm just going to say that. Anyway, let's see. Femex, okay, or you need VPN. Abel, Matthew, depending on where you live, you may need a VPN. God, I can't catch myself saying, you know. But yeah, he has had to. He has kids. But yeah, Femex, depending on where you live, you might have to use a VPN. You guys are all crazy if you think that needs a smaller box. Where do you think XRP will go after the settlement? I get this question all the time. Now, let's take a look at it. Let's go to the daily. Now, it's hard to say. I don't even know if I feel comfortable even trying to guess. I don't know. I know a lot of people are calling for $10. I mean, I don't really understand how you could predict that. But yeah, I'm not going to make a prediction. We do have this little fun thing going on here where we have this little Lambo candle. Our Lambo candle goes up to about $11. So that's not my real prediction. That's just for fun. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully we could break all-time highs. I'll say that. 589. Yeah, absolutely. Love this stream so much. Matt Stevens, I love you so much. Let's see. I'm not going to count that one. Thank you, Enrique. I appreciate you. Crypto Billy, hear that? We all have. I started buying after the lawsuit. Not a bad time. I mean, we got crushed after the lawsuit for no apparent reason. With me, love this stream. In Florida, so should be good, but do you have to use VPN with Bybit? I use a VPN all the time. I think you probably will, depends on where you live, but I would just use a VPN so you don't get locked out or whatever. I would just use a VPN no matter what. God, these you-knows are just stacking like crazy. All right. I'm gonna try not to say you know again. I can't believe I say that so much. But anyway, let's see. Yeah, so guys, I would say XRP is looking pretty good. I'd love to see a nice bullish divergence or something, but we're just not there yet. 2 hour. Yeah, I mean, let's see, 90-minute. Yeah, I mean, we pumped, so we're not really, I mean, we'd be looking for bearish divergences, if anything. But yeah, I mean, maybe you come up and you breach this high, and then this creates a bearish divergence here on the 90-minute or 1 hour. But yeah, this 90-minute, I would have loved, guys, these 90-minute money flow crossovers are golden. Anytime money flow crosses on the 90-minute, like a strong one, you typically get a decent move up, as you can see right here. And then you had another one right here, a little short, but you got a nice little run. And then, right here, you got a little run, but then this one really, really played out, obviously. So did somebody know about that news? Possibly someone might have known about that news. And, I don't know. I thought it was interesting that we pumped as well. But let's see. $3.50, Jeremy says. When you get to altcoins, please check Luna if possible. Yes, Dylan, when we start looking at the altcoins, just throw it in. Enrique, when am I saying these words? I feel like I'm getting trolled, but I bet you I'm not. I gotta cut though. I need shock therapy. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and check on Cardano. Coming in at 94 cents, right on this golden pocket. Not quite touching it, but kind of. Oh, I just said it, didn't I? I just said it. Sol, we'll take a look at Sol. Don't worry. Okay. Crypto Royale, what's going on? Insider trading going on for sure. Stevie, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure. Definitely a bot, maybe. Crypto Anon. It's real, Frankie. You bring so much positive energy into your show. Sometimes I join late, but you become one of my favorite shows to watch. Hope your channel will grow beyond your wishes. Get a like from me. Yes, got a like from me yesterday. Who said that? Marty Z. I appreciate you, Marty Z. We try to bring that positivity, and we try to show you guys how to trade this crypto stuff, whether the price is going up or down, so we could just make some dang money. Just hear that. Oh, yeah. Just a little money ASMR, guys. Little money ASMR. Let's go. Oh, yeah, baby. Not going to lie, guys. Just before we go into ADA, XRP, I really want to put a trade in on XRP, but I don't want to force the trade. There's not really a setup. I missed the entry here. Let's see. I mean, how much did we miss here? If we entered on this retest, 1%. I'm going to see if we can get rejected from here. I'll tell you that. If we get rejected from here and we come down to test this support and Market Cipher B is looking decent, I'll show you guys an XRP trade that I definitely entered before the stream. And not one that I'm gonna possibly enter. We just trade paper, guys. We're paper traders. We don't trade real money. YouTube, just so you know, we're paper traders. We're paper traders. But let's go. Frankie, candles to 100K. Let's go. Bitcoin to 100K. Bitcoin to 100K. You guys know that song? It's a good one. That's a good one. All right, let's go back to ADA here. Oh, really, I'm kind of dying. I'm kind of dying to get into a trade here, but there's really no setup. I could have traded based off of this retest, and then you have some money flow crossovers happening. But 4-hour money flow crossover got the red dot here. You're printing the red dot here. We have 1 hour and 9 minutes to confirm it, so maybe we come down a little bit more. But looking for a trade on XRP. We are a Frankie Candles family. Michael, and I watch nearly every day. Right now, you are running on 2 computers and a TV. Frankie, triplets, let's go. Mickey Snellen, I appreciate you guys. I really do. It'll reject probs. Yeah, I think so too. Thought you won a day off yesterday. Yeah, so I kind of messed up like the days off. I guess everybody took that as a day off of streaming, which I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't really like taking days off. I don't know what it is. I'm just, I'm a Taurus. I just like pushing through stuff, I guess. I don't know. I love doing this. I hate taking days off when I go on. It's very hard for me to relax, guys. That's something I struggle with in my life, is relaxing. I just always feel like there's more I could do, and I should be doing something. I don't do good relaxing, or even when I go on vacation, it's very hard. I mean, when I was on vacation just recently, I was working. I was making videos, so it's hard for me to take time off. I would just, if I took a day off of the stream, it would be nice. I'd be home right now and it would be fun, but I would just feel like I should be here. So the day off, really what it does is if I get any crazy challenges, I don't have to do them. I don't have to do the jumping jacks. I don't have to do whatever. So that's kind of how I took it. But yeah, 100 racks, Frankie, let's go. No days off, Frankie, let's get it. Fred says relax. All right. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at Cardano. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm a very I don't know. I struggle with relaxing. It's something I got to work on, guys. Something I got to work on. But while I'm here, let's do some Cardano TA. All right, so we're looking at Cardano on the daily, guys. Ada Gang, where are you at? So grateful for you. Stevie K, you guys are the best. You really are. We can have days off when we have millions of dollars. That's how I feel. That's basically like cool. I'll relax when I'm like super rich. Like I don't need to relax right now. I got so much to do. I have so many things I need to accomplish. I don't have time. I'll sleep when I die. I'll sleep when I die. That's called dedication. Keep it coming. Let's go. Kind of not ironic, coincidental that your name is Keep It Coming, because I am keeping it coming. No relaxing over here, guys. Even when we make it, we're pushing through still. Relax. Don't do it when you want to go to it. Relax. Don't do it when you want to trade crypto. Let's get it. Who said that? Enrique. You guys are awesome. I agree. I agree. You know, it's a New York thing. Syracuse loves the mafia. Absolutely, Hutmo. Maybe it's a New York thing. I'm just used to hustle and bustle, baby. All right. Ask Frankie, my man, does a new trader need to get started? Asks Frankie, my man, what does a new trader need to get started? Tools, websites to trade on, and equipment, computer, etc. Before we get into Cardano, let me answer this really quick. So if you check out my daily trading routine video, I talk about some of the tools I use there. But basically, all you need is a TradingView account. You can use the free version. There are paid versions, but you do not need it. You can use a free one totally. And then you can check out my TradingView tutorial. That'll help you, show you how to use it, show you how to read the charts, all that good stuff. And then you'll need a Femex account, right? And if you want to sign up for Femex, my link is in the description below. You could click on that. You will get a deposit bonus. If you use my link, you will get a little bit of extra money, and it helps out the CandleMafia a little bit, so it's a win-win situation. And then that's really the only two things you need. And then you just need some starting capital, right? You need some money to trade with. And then you just got to learn how to trade. You got to learn TA. You got to learn strategies. And that's all available for absolutely free on my YouTube channel. So I recommend that you go to my videos and you watch all my tutorial videos. I show you how to use Femex. I show you how to use leverage. I show you how to do TA. I show you how to find key levels. I show you different trading strategies, super simple trading strategies that you can try out. And you are in the right spot, my man. If you want to get started, there you go. TradingView, Femex, some starting capital, and then watch my videos on the YouTube channel. I'll teach you everything you need to know. So there you go. Love it. Wick says he loved the daily routine video. Thank you for that, Wick. BTC looking bullish on the 1 hour and the 15-minute. All right, interesting. We'll take a look at it. But let's first check out Cardano. Back in the red on the daily. VWAP coming up. Money flow and VWAP basically coming up for the most part. Not a bad look. Not a bad look. You are coming down to a golden pocket, so maybe you find some resistance on that golden pocket. I'm sorry, support on that golden pocket. So, you know, not looking horrible. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour money flow curving up pretty aggressively here. VWAP above the 0 line. I think you will probably bing bong around in the red a little bit before coming up, but the fact that you're curving up here is a good sign. 2 hour, moving on to the 2 hour. You know, trying to find some, yeah, let me just see something real quick. No, not really. I mean, sorry, guys. I'm not talking. I forgot I was live for a second. That was weird. I'm just kidding, guys. But yeah, I mean, there you go. There's a bear flag. I mean, already played out here. But this is kind of good to point out, right? I mean, you did find support right on that golden pocket, but bearish continuation pattern, right? Bear flag. Here, this is for you. I forget who asked about what they need to. Michael Doss. Bearish continuation pattern. This is a bear flag. You come down, you bing, you bong, you bing, you bong, you bing, and then you bong, and you come down. But you did find support on that golden pocket. But you know, kind of the same thing here. I mean, this was more of a rising wedge. Not really. This is like a what do they call these? A horn or something. There's a funny name for these. But yeah, kind of just bearish continuation, kind of the same thing here. But anyway, finding support on that golden pocket. 2-hour money flow came into the green, back into the red. I think you might come into the green again here. Money flow generally coming up, right? Generally coming up. I think you will probably come into the green here a little bit and come up a little further. And then levels, you got 97 cents above you for resistance, so watch out for that. Possible rejection off of that level. And then you also have above that, you have 99 cents. If we can break this 96 cents, 97 cent level, I think you can continue higher towards this 99 to $1 mark. That's kind of the next stop after that. And then the golden pocket is, 93 cents. Bottom of it is 92 cents. So you're looking to hold that area right here, that golden pocket. All right, let's see. Love you, Frankie. You're the reason I dove headfirst into my newfound passion, trading. Aldo, let's get it, Aldo. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. I'm glad I was able to help you get into it and maybe give you a little confidence. Megaphone pattern. Yeah, sure. I actually think it is called a megaphone. It's like some kind of horn or something. But yeah, Nathan, yes. More importantly, new traders should master spot first. Wave cipher, yeah. Yeah, you have to understand leverage trading is risky, right? Because you can make money really fast, but you can also lose it really fast. So maybe play around on spot. Or start with a low amount of money, right? Because spot's pretty slow moving unless your alt starts going nuts. It could be kind of slow. So Bing is drop, bong is top. We make money. Let's eat honey. Let's go, Huntmo. Let's go. Little Blanchard's Bees reference there. Breaking news: Biden just got a Jimmy Void tattoo. Oh, you guys are so good. You guys are good. I've been eating 2 pints of ice cream every day for the past 3 days. Hashtag gains. Let's get it. If you're new, it's best to accumulate a stack of BTC first before trying to trade. Satoshi, yeah, not bad advice. I just recommend investing in good projects long term and then taking a little bit of your money, maybe just some extra cash you have, and try to trade with that in the beginning. Don't take your whole stack and put it in your trading account. Spot is very slow, though. Spot trading is very slow, so you might get bored, but it's less risky. It's a little less risky. But I mean, investing in crypto altogether is risky. But when you throw leverage on it, if you're using 10x leverage, a 1% move is a 10% move. A 10% move is with 10x leverage is a 100% move. So remember that. If Bitcoin dumps 10% and you're using 10x leverage, not looking good. All right, let's see. You guys are saying the 1 hour is looking bullish for Bitcoin. Let's check it out. 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, you did get a money flow crossover. Random line, guys. We got the random lines. Let's see. Yeah, money flow coming up. Your VWAP is curving down. Not curving down, but starting to flatten out here. But your money flow is coming up pretty strong. Let's just resize this. I mean, boom, 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 boom. What are you guys seeing? What are you guys seeing that's making you feel bullish? Money flow, and then the 15-minute you said looked good. VWAP coming down. Money flow crossover, though. So maybe this VWAP comes down and then crosses back over before we start moving back to the upside. That or when plus 20, oh my God. 50% gains in a few hours is better. Yeah, Carlo. I mean, I've been around crypto for a while, so I'm not a beginner by any means. But yeah, typically if you're a beginner, learn how to trade and maybe paper trade on a testnet account or Femex testnet. You can Google that. It lets you trade with fake money. Get a feel for it before you start using your own money on leverage. And if you're going to use real money, I would recommend maybe using an amount of money that you're willing to lose. So if it's $100, $50, if you're willing to pay $100 to learn about trading and possibly lose that money, then just think of it as paying money to learn. So yeah. Oh my God, Enrique, I literally can't hear myself say it. It's so weird. All right. So we looked at Cardano. Let's go ahead and let's just go back to XRP. I want to see something. We got the 4 hour. Yeah, I get the 4 and then the. Yeah, to be honest, this is actually. So on XRP, you do have the 4 hour VWAP looking like it. Yeah, 4 hour VWAP crossing over that zero line to the downside. And your 15-minute money flow moving curving down towards that zero line. You might come down a little bit for XRP. We'll have to watch it. We'll keep an eye on it. Have y'all ever started an account as a channel, starting with certain amount and see where it goes in like 3 to 6 months? An account as a channel? What does that mean? Michael, I don't know what you mean, but maybe clarify. Overbought. Yeah. Okay. Freedom Man, I see you. Not a big fan of overbought and oversold. I longed average 40,237 myself, hoping it is on support, but only 5x, so my snuff is 32-ish. Okay, not bad, not bad. All right. Let's just go ahead and let's take a look at Gala. Still, oh, we got rid of our Gala. Oh, no, there we go. Still above that 18-cent level, right? Finding support right here at about 19 cents or 19.5, I would say. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's go to the daily. Bada boom. Let's look at it. Okay. Money flow in the red. You did get your green dot on the daily. Yeah, that VWAP is not looking very promising. Love Gala. Me too. Me too. Not looking very promising there. Let's see. So let's look at the 8 hour. Let's look at the 12 hour. 12 hour is crossed over into the red. That's not a good sign. That could bring you down a decent bit. 4 hour coming up, so shorter term might not look as bad. Yeah, money flow crossover on the 2 hour looking like it wants to go. You got it on the 1 hour. So yeah, maybe for Gala you see something like this because the lower time frames, right? 45-minute coming down. Mixed signals here, guys. This is past few days have been hard to read. Very, very hard to read. But maybe you see something like this where you might come up a little bit. The moving average might come down and push you back down. That 12-hour money flow is not good. Actually, let's check on the Bitcoin 12-hour. Because we were... random line. Come on. All right. Let's see. 12-hour money flow crossover into the red, guys. This could bring you down. This could definitely bring you down. I forgot to check on this. Yeah, this isn't good. This is I would watch this. I would watch that. Gala needs more hype. Gala music with Snoop needs traction. Yeah, I have high hopes for Gala. It needs a big announcement. Yeah, for sure. You have to understand a lot of people lost interest in crypto. A lot of the retail has left. So you have to understand that the hype will come back eventually. But just so you guys know, if you do break down out of this level, that 18-cent level is very, very strong. That's what you're looking to hold. All right, and you do have 2 green dots here. So interesting. Very, very mixed signals going on here. Frankie, could we get a look at ILV? Yes. Mixed signals below 42K and above 37K. Yeah, Gala needs more hype. Yep. You guys all have Gala and don't even play Townstar. Looney, what's going on, Looney? Certified TV, what's going on? Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Wick, okay, here we go. I'm going off Tyler's list, so try to get your coin on Tyler's list. Luna, so far we got RNDR, Sol, Luna, ILV, and UOS. Plus 23, plus 24, Frankie, UOS. Okay, cool. Frank, look at the daily candles. We have a head and shoulders reversal pattern with an 85% bullish breakout on Gala. Actually, I want to check this out. Kai, on Gala, as soon as I get my non-crypto friends telling me to buy, I'm selling. Yeah, absolutely. Lane Hughes, absolutely. Yeah, Kate, Kai, let me know if you're talking about Bitcoin or you're talking about Gala. I mean, we could look at Gala here. It said, look at the daily. It said inverse head and shoulders. We have a head and shoulders daily for Bitcoin on BTC daily. Let's check it out. Let's get rid of my drawings here. On the daily head and shoulders. I'm not I might be blind. I am not seeing a head and shoulders. I wish I could just like, I wish you could just come pop on and show me what you're looking at. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing's really screaming at me. Maybe I'm blind and just not seeing it. But how many people in chat mad if I say Gala equals sand? Brad says Frankie Candles never not working. Absolutely, Brad. I will tell you that is the truth. Nothing there, bro. Yeah, I don't see a head and shoulders. All right, guys, let's take a look at these alts. All right, let's starting off with RNDR. Let's look at Tether or Binance. All right, let's see here. Daily. Looking at the daily, VWAP crossing up, money flow kind of flat. Nothing really to. I think TradingView has a head and shoulders indicator. It does. It does. Don't see energy. Okay. Love from Los Angeles. Robert Cadena. Robert Cadena. Nice last name. Love from Los Angeles. Thank you for tuning in all the way from LA. Appreciate you. How do you guys do it? It's like LA or something. I don't know how you guys do it. But yeah, welcome. Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. But yeah, money flow starting to curve down here. VWAP coming up, kind of mixed signals. Maybe, just maybe, you come back up, test this as resistance, and you come back down. But let's keep looking over here. Let's look at the 12-hour. Money flow crossover might come down. Excuse me. This yellow X, you know these come in twos, right? So you got one yellow X, might get another yellow X and dump it down. So watch out for that second yellow X. You could get a little mini pump up, get rejected, print another yellow X, and come back down. Granted, you are basically at the bottom here. So very interesting. All right, let's check that 4-hour. Yeah, look at that. You came, you tested, right? You tested again, you came down, right? So I think you might come down a little bit more. VWAP coming down on the 4-hour. You did have a little bit of a bullish divergence, maybe. Kind of hard to say there. Looking at the 2-hour, money flow generally coming up on the 2-hour, but you did print this blood diamond here. This is probably going to bring you down a little bit. Are you going to make new all-time lows, or are you going to catch that support right here with that one little bounce? Yeah, I think you come down short term. I'm not saying the project's dead. I'm not saying the project's garbage. I actually don't know a lot about RNDR, but I think you come down short term. For sure. 4-hour, 4-hour VWAP coming down, 4-hour VWAP crossover, looking at the 15-minute. Yeah, money flow looking to crossover. I think you come down. From here. But yeah, I mean, you don't really have much support below you. I mean, you got support here. You wicked down to here once. So, I mean, yeah, I don't know. Not a lot of price history here, but you got this level here at about $2 even, going to be a psychological level. And then down here, you have this level at about $1.95. So keep a lookout for that. Let's see. Do you still trade Atom? Ryan, not recently. I haven't traded Atom recently. Not for any particular reason. Typically, in the recent past, I've kind of been sticking to Bitcoin and ETH for the most part. But I'll get back into it. When we get a little more volatility, I'll start trading the alts again. But Bitcoin and ETH are basically what I've been trading more recently. Not for any specific reason other than it's just what I've been looking at. But yeah, no, I'm not throwing Atom away. I'm just haven't really paid that much attention to it. I'm focused more on Bitcoin because we're at such a pivotal moment in the market. There's a built-in indicator. Yeah, so the head and shoulders thing you guys are talking about, I'll just show that really quick. If you come up here to indicators, right? There you go. And then you come to technicals, right? And then you click chart patterns right here. You can actually pick a chart pattern and click on it, and TradingView will point it out for you. So if you go head and shoulders, you click head and shoulders, and it is in beta, so it doesn't always work. But it is pretty cool. It does. Let's try triangles. Maybe the triangles work more than the other ones usually. There you go. So if you could see here, it actually draws out triangles. This one was wonky. You could tell this is in beta. But yeah, it'll automatically draw your triangles for you so you don't have to find them. But it's definitely janky. It's definitely in the testing phases. Definitely not that reliable, at least right now. But it will be cool. What am I going to do? I'm going to be out of a job when they make that thing accurate. Let's see. Let's see. I learned from a YouTuber, Trades by Matt. Let's see. Oh, are you guys saying Crypto Lifer saw Head and Shoulders on the daily for Bitcoin? Lifer's good. Lifer's good. Crypto Billy says Lifer can find a cup and handle on a Christmas card. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really see anything screaming at me on that daily, but maybe I'm missing something. You know, I'm not one of those people that's like, I don't see what you're seeing and I'm always right. Like maybe I'm missing something. I don't know. But yeah, I don't see it. How high does Bitcoin go before we dump? I mean, maybe a bullish case, your daily, right? Daily VWAP crossover. Maybe you come up. Yeah, I mean, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you come up here. Maybe you come 41.4 and then you get rejected. But I don't even really know how confident I'm feeling about that. Growth and reverts, so we dumping. Why won't ETH just crash already? I feel you. I feel you. All right, guys. So, all right, let's keep taking a look at these alts. You skipped ETH. Did I? I thought we looked at ETH. No? All right, let's check out ETH, the king of altcoins. All right. Thank you for that, Tony. I thought I covered it. Guys, I look at the chart so much that, like, I probably looked at ETH 5 minutes before I hopped on the stream, so it's very hard to keep track. But that's why I got you guys. Lifer gang, let's go. We love Lifer. Lifer's been killing it, absolutely killing it on ATB. His TA is very, very, very good. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. I mean, I feel like if Lifer's seeing a Head and Shoulders on the daily for Bitcoin, I got to be missing something because there's no way he's just seeing something wrong. He knows his stuff. So definitely, yeah, Lifer knows what he's doing. So, but I would love to see what you guys are seeing. But yeah, I would love to collab with Lifer. He's definitely. He's actually popped in his stream earlier today. I never watched his stream before. I hopped in for the first time today. Said, what's up to everybody? Saw some of you guys in there, actually. But yeah, Lifer's a boss. He's the man. Lane, was that you that said hi to me in the stream? Frankie, can you please have a look at auction for me? Yeah, no problem. Days of old. Any thoughts on the moon cycle trading? I don't really follow the moon cycles. Lifer is in a long right now. All right, let's go. All right. So for Ethereum, right, money flow just won't. Yeah, money flow coming back up a little bit. You got the VWAP coming up. I think the daily VWAP crossover can bring you up a little bit. I do. I just don't know how much it's going to bring you up. But looking at the 12-hour, you know, coming down. Let's look at the 8-hour. Turn on Market Cipher A. Yeah, 8-hour money flow crossover. 6-hour coming up. Oh God, this is a brutal market right now. This is just mixed signal after mixed signal. Yeah, money flow coming up on the 2-hour. 1-hour money flow crossover. VWAP coming down. 30-minute money flow crossover. VWAP coming down. I'm gonna hold my ETH short. I don't think Lifer uses Market Cipher, or at least he wasn't today when I was looking at him. Is the Blood Diamond still on the weekly? Mr. A, absolutely. Yes, it is. He starts my day and you finish. XRP, yeah, Shillbilly, I saw you in there, dude. Yeah, awesome. I love that. I would love to collab with Lifer one day. Let's see. Lifer uses like 2 million indicators at a time. He's like Goku, just on another level. ETH just had bad news. Yeah, ETH, that merge is not happening. It's got pushed back again, but I think that might have been priced into the market already. I think smart traders and smart money might have already seen that coming because it's been pushed back already. It's been pushed back before, so they might have expected that, and it might have already been priced in. Let's see. Full moon usually indicates a dump. No coincidence. Tomorrow's a full moon. Interesting. Mixed signals tend to melt up. Okay, interesting. Lifer does not use Market Cipher B. Okay, interesting. All right. So for Ethereum, right, 30-minute crossover. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute. You know, nothing really happening there. Looks like he wants to cross over on the money flow. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. If you get that VWAP crossover and that 15-minute money flow decides to go at the same time, you might get a move. You might get a move. But I'm just gonna hold. I'm holding my short right now. Like I said, it's a smaller trade for me. I'm not too worried about it. You know, if I have to, you know, if it hits my stop, it's fine. Yes, Hutmo, absolutely. That'd be cool to collab with Lifer. That'd be awesome. I thought it was the opposite. Full moon bullish. Moving averages, MACD, RSI, stochastic RSI, 4 indicators. I'm already pricing in the next pushback. Yes, Wick, full moon is bull zone. All right. All right, guys. So yeah, I mean, if we lose this level, right, I'm in a short, you know, 3,000 even. We've been bouncing off of that recently. Wicked below it a little bit. My line. I did want to come down here to take some profit. We didn't come quite down there, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah. All right, let's keep looking at these alts now. Let's see, Mr. Durden's. Solana. Let's take a look at Solana. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Back to crypto. We also got the water, guys. Don't worry. We're not just all coffee over here. We got to drink that water, stay hydrated. All right, here we go. Solana. All right, so on the daily. Yep, VWAP crossing up, or not cross, actually starting to flatten out here a little bit, but approaching that zero line. Money flow found support, coming back up somewhat here. Let's see, 4-hour money flow is generally coming up. You did print a red dot though. VWAP coming down. I think you come down. I think you know, these VWAP crossovers on the 4-hour are typically pretty powerful. Money flow starting to curve back down there a little bit. So maybe that brings you down a little bit. 2-hour, let me guess, coming up. Oh no, coming down. All right. Well, less mixed signals on Solana. Money flow coming down on the 2-hour. 1-hour. You know, money flow crossover into the green. And then, you know, VWAP kind of curving off there a little bit. 30-minute. Money flow crossover. Yeah, I mean, maybe this 30-minute money flow crossover could bring you up a little bit before you come back down. But really, that 4-hour VWAP crossover, I'd watch that. That's going to suppress the price a little bit. You know, maybe it pushes you back down to the bottom of this golden pocket, and then you kind of get a bounce off of that level and come back up. But we'll have to see. You know, daily kind of, you know, VWAP coming up, money flow coming up. But you do have a level right here at about 105. Watch for resistance there. And then if you happen to break that, you do have another level at 109. And then you got a little bit of support underneath you. You do, oh, random line. You do have Fibonacci level here at $90. I don't think it'll come down maybe that low unless Bitcoin really decides to dump. But I think you're probably going to, you know, mixed signals here. Mixed signals. 4-hour looking bearish. 2-hour looking bearish. Yeah, looking bearish. 1-hour kind of looking, you know, you might come up in the short term. Mixed signals. I don't know what to say for Solana, to be 100% honest with you. Tyler Durden, Frankie Candles versus random lines. Absolutely. Luna, let's take a look at Luna. All right. Actually, let's pull up our Luna chart here. Where's she at? Luna, where are you at? Luna, there you are. Okay. Bada boom. All right. Okay, here you go. Yellow X on the 1-hour. This is, be careful. Be careful. This, I do think, could easily, is this confirmed? Not confirmed just yet. You got 38 minutes to confirm this, but it could bring you down about 5%. Down to this support level at about 76 cents. Now, I mean, yeah, like if you look here, this one brought you down about 6%. This one brought you down about 5%. So very possible that this one brings you down to this support line right here. Now let's dig a little deeper. That is the 1-hour, right? Let's look at the daily. VWAP coming up on the daily. This is the bullish case today is mostly on the daily for most of these coins. 4 hour, VWAP coming up, looking like it wants to cross over. 15-minute money flow coming down. I was looking for the money flow to cross up for our 4 hour, 15-minute strategy here with the VWAP coming up and the money flow crossing over on the 15-minute. But that yellow X on the 1 hour, let's check the 2 hour. Yeah, you got a yellow X on the 2 hour too. This could keep bringing you down a little bit. You have the VWAP coming down on the 2 hour. Yeah, very interesting. And then I think, yeah, you're about 5% from here. Yeah. Interesting. But yeah, all right. Let's see here. Let's see. Near, short. Yeah, I mean, on Luna, not financial advice, but those, I'm just going to say, when you got yellow X's on the 2 and the 1 hour, typically you could come down a lot. I think this does have the power to bring you down quite a bit. Let's see. What else do we have? ILV. Tether US, Binance. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. All right. ILV. What is this? Is this alluvium? No, what is? Oh, yeah, it is alluvium. Okay. That's what I thought. All right. Let's go ahead and check out the daily. Go check the daily. 26 Wow. Enrique, this is actually pretty funny because I'm going to talk to DZ about this because someone told DZ he says too much. And before I had my YouTube channel, I used to be in the room with DZ when he was on camera a lot. I wonder if I picked up the from him. Or maybe vice versa. Maybe he picked it up from me. I don't know. Very interesting. I can't wait to tell him I said it 26 times. All right. So anyway, on Illuvium for the daily, money flow curving back up on the daily. Guys, with this money flow and VWAP coming up on a lot of these dailies, I think it can bring you up. Again, I do think it could bring you up. I just don't know how much. I don't know if this is going to be the point where, I think everyone's thinking this is going to blast us off to all-time highs. I really don't see that happening, but not impossible. We'll have to see. Guys. All right. So yeah, money flow coming up with the VWAP there. Not a horrible look. 4 hour on Market Cipher B. VWAP crossing over. 15-minute money flow looking to cross over. That might be a that might move you up a little bit. But yeah, 4 hour curving up with the money flow. 2 hour VWAP above the 0 line, money flow coming down. Checking the 1 hour. Yeah, you crossed into the red. Mixed signals, guys. We're kind of just going sideways here. Yeah, very hard to call these. Very hard to call these. You got a yellow X here on the 90-minute. You are getting a 90-minute money flow crossover, but you are binging and bonging here. It's not like, it's not like you were in the green a lot here and now you're crossing into the red. That's typically when you see the money flow crossovers give you a big move to the downside or upside, depending on which waves you're looking at. But when you're binging and bonging, I mean, this could, I would say generally, right? General market cipher strategy, money flow generally coming up. So maybe you just make a tiny little red wave here and continue coming up into the green. But you do have a yellow X right here, so you want to be careful. But yeah, kind of hard to call this on Illuvium. Luna looked like it was coming down. I'm able to tell you I think it's going down. Not financial advice. I might be looking for a Luna short. Just catch that 5%. Not financial advice. I don't recommend copycatting people's trades. It's never a good, you want to learn how to do it yourself. You don't want to just copy someone's trades because then if they're wrong and you lose, you're going to be mad at them, but it's really not their fault. Because you listen to them. It's just not a good thing. You want to learn and go out. If you want to take someone else's opinion into account when you're doing your own research, that's different. If I said, hey, I'm looking to short Luna and you're like, oh, I was looking at the chart. It looked like it was going down to me too. That kind of lines up. That's different than just copycat trading. I don't recommend copycat trading, but I am maybe looking for a Luna short. But yeah, so 4 hour, 4 hour VWAP coming up. That might be able to bring you up a little bit. But daily, mixed signals. You're in the red on the daily, but kind of coming up. Generally, right? You're going lower high, right? So you got a low, lower high, lower high, lower high. Maybe you cross back into the green, you come up a bit. You did come down a lot here, right? You got to correct at some point. All right, 28. Oh, God. All right, sand. Let's take a look at it. All right. Okay, random line. Let's get it. All right. Let's see. All right. On the daily, kind of the same thing as everything else. Your VWAP is above the 0 line, but starting to come back down, right? So, yeah, it depends on if this straightens out or not. If this comes back to the 0 line, you're probably going to come into a deeper red wave here. So not looking the best, but not looking the worst on the daily. Let's check the 12-hour. Yeah, 12-hour here. Yeah, I think you could come down. 4-hour. So coming up, this is hard. I mean, you're low. I mean, you are really low. I mean, if you're going to come any lower, I mean, you got to level, around here. You could come a little bit lower. I mean, how far away are we from here? Sand. Get my ruler tool from here to here, 7%. I mean, maybe you come back down to there, or you catch a little support, in this range, right? Boom. Yeah. Maybe you come down into here somewhere. Hard to say, but yeah, that 12-hour money flow crossover, right? I know you keep coming up to that 0 line, but generally, again, basic market cipher strategy, you're in the green, and now you're just generally coming down with your money flow. So you might, and then the VWAP's coming down too. So Sandbox might come down as well, similar to Luna. Let's see, 4-hour, we looked at, coming up, 2-hour, coming up, 1 hour. You get the crossover on the 1 hour into the green. But your VWAP is starting to round off. Hard to read. Don't even give the all right, let's see. Hey, Frankie, Hit Gaming just gave you a shout out and a round of applause for 10K. Guys, a round of applause for you guys for 10K. I can't believe we got to 10K this fast. I appreciate all of you guys. Shout out to Hit Gaming, guys. After we hop off here, I totally lost track of time. What time is it? Okay, so we're going to run through the rest of these altcoins, but when you guys are done, definitely go check out Hit Gaming. They're streaming. What game are they streaming? Let me know. I don't know what they're playing. I will say this. If they're playing Halo, I might hop in there for a minute and show these boys how it's done. But yeah, let me know what they're playing. I would love to know. But definitely go check out Hit Gaming after this, guys. Super cool. I think TJ's hanging out up there as well. If I'm not, I could be mistaken, but I think he is. Yeah, let me know. Let's see. All right, Algo. Thank you, Tyler. I swear to God, Tony, Tyler, and Captain Kirk literally can read my mind. And I think we lost Captain, but it's her birthday, so she shouldn't be. She should like go have fun. So that's fine. But I wish I could have said one last happy birthday to her. Anyway, all right, guys, 185 people in here, guys. Smash that like button. Let's get to 300 today. You know what? I think I got to motivate you guys a little bit. There we go. We got the wheel back, guys. We got the wheel back. Smash that like button. 190 people in here. Let's get it to 300. If we hit 350, you know the deal. You get 4 spins. All right, let's check out Algo. Algo, Coinbase. Actually, guys, I'm going to selfishly, I know I check a lot of coins for you guys, but I'm checking this for me. I just want to check the 12-hour on Luna real quick. Yeesh. Okay, guys. All right. I don't know. All right. Anyway, Algo. Boom. Wow, that coffee just hit me. Come at me in Halo. I am the Master Chief. Jonathan Schaefer, let's go. Hit Gaming, what is it called? It's on HitNet. They're streaming on the Hit Network YouTube channel. So go there. I think that's where they're live. Frankie, when NFT collection of candle characters coming? Hey. Chemistry, bro. We're going to try to work on that. I got to talk to DZ about it. Yeah, what game are they playing? I didn't even see. Smash. Let's get it, Stevie. Thank you. Let's get the bag. Where is the gaming channel? Hit Network YouTube channel. That is where they're playing. Somebody let me know what they're playing. I'd love to know. I hope they're playing Halo. I'll go up there and spank those boys. That sounded weird. Anyway, all right. On the daily, on the daily, money flow generally coming up. You're making higher lows or higher lows. You're making higher lows here. I always fumble my words when I say higher lows or lower highs. VWAP is a little lackluster. You are finding support here though. So money flow coming up, not a horrible look. Checking the 12-hour, looking like it wants to cross over, getting pretty close. 4-hour coming up. This could bring you up short term. Let's check the 2-hour. Yeah, generally coming up. So the 4-hour and the 2-hour money flow coming up that's your bullish hope right there. I think that could bring you up a little bit. Now talking levels, what do you have above you? You do have about 78 cents, right? You got 78 cents here. Yeah, you got 78 cents here above you, and then below you, you do have 68 cents, right? So, if you get this money flow crossover on the 4-hour, obviously they're very powerful. You got a crossover here, came up big time. And then again, you had a crossover right here, came up big time. But you will have to see, maybe you can get back up to here at 78 cents. It maybe even break up to 87 cents if you really get a run going, if it plays out something like this. But remember, we're in a little bit of a spank 'em, Frankie. Let's go. We are in a little bit of a weird market environment here, so I don't know if you're going to come up that much. But yeah, Frankie getting frisky. Let's go. Oh, no. Jacob, no. Jacob clipped it. Oh, God. Thank you, Frankie. Hope to see you there. I am J. Dean. I hope to see you there as well. Yeah, it's popular for sure. They're doing, it's Overwatch. Okay, I'm not really an Overwatch player. I have played it before, but I wouldn't say I'm good at it. I don't play it enough. But yeah, so watch those levels, right? If this 2-hour, watch the 4-hour money flow, watch that 2-hour as well. And what's the 1 hour looking like? 1 hour in the green. Yeah, so watch the 4-hour money flow. That 4-hour money flow crossover could bring you up. Decent curvature on this, very decent curvature. So yeah, there is algo. Let's go ahead and check some other ones. GLM, R, Glimmer. I don't even know what this is. Glimmer, yeah. All right. On the daily, tight trigger wave, tight. Got a green dot here, VWAP coming up. This looks actually decent. Money flow on a nice rise. Yeah, actually very, very decent. 4-hour money flow crossover. You might come up here. You might come up. This is, a lot of them are hard to read. This is much easier to read. Yeah, VWAP above that zero line, but you did get the money flow crossover, so that's not looking too bad. 2-hour money flow looking to crossover as well. You do have resistance above you at about $4.34, so be careful in your longs. You do have resistance there. Might find a bounce, but I think with this 4-hour money flow crossover, I think you could pop over that. Yeah, no bearish divergences. 1 hour. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I think you could come up. 15-minute, very micro, short term. Got the green dot. Money flow starting to curve up. Not looking too bad. What's the 4-hour VWAP doing? Yeah, 4 hour. Okay. Yeah. So watch that level. You do have a little bit of resistance here at about $4. Coming in right now at about 405. You do have, resistance at 433. So watch that for resistance. All right. Let's check another one. H-bar, baby. H-bar, the famous coin that I missed out on. I don't even like looking at this coin because I missed out. I saw this coin came to my attention so early, and I just never bought it. I didn't have the money set aside. I didn't have my capital set aside. What is going on with this? Wowie. Wow. Look at this line. Look at this random line, guys. All right. Well, oh yeah, this was I remember drawing this. All right, let's get rid of that. Okay, so money flow in the red on the daily, not looking as good. VWAP crossing up, though. You're probably going to print a green dot here. I think it probably will be a little lackluster VWAP, though, and you'll continue into the red. Probably have some more downside in the future for H-bar. Money flow on the 12-hour, just generally coming out. You got a little bounce on the VWAP, probably going to cross over, bring the money flow down further. Check the 8-hour. 8 hours in the red. What's the 10-hour looking like? 10-hour in the red. 6-hour in the red. 4-hour coming up. 4-hour coming up. So yeah, I mean, Seems your bullish hope is on the 4 hour for a lot of this stuff too. 2 hour crossover, you know, yeah, maybe you come up a little bit. Yeah, 12 hour, you know, the 12 hour money coming down. And yeah, so this is, I know a lot of you guys probably get confused by time frames. Well, on the daily you're in the red, but the VWAP's coming up. You think it could go up on the daily, but then the 12 hour doesn't look good, right? So with the daily, you know, money flow curving down, VWAP coming up, essentially what I expect to happen here is the VWAP will come up. You'll get a little pump. You'll get a small pump, right? And then the daily VWAP will come back down, drag the money flow even deeper. And then the way that translates onto the smaller time frames is when you get that VWAP crossover on the daily, you might get the money flow crossover on the 4 hour, and that's what brings you up short term. Maybe you bounce around here, break out. You might just kind of bing bong, come up a little bit, and then come down. So, yeah, this one, the H bar is a little harder to read. 1 hour, right? Money flow coming up, VWAP coming up. I think you'll come up short term, come down, but long term is a little more bearish. But short term, you might come up a little bit. Watch this level at about 20 cents. How far are we away from that? About 4%. So yeah, keep your eye on the 1 hour for a short term little pump. Let's check the 15-minute. No bullish divergence. Let's get rid of this line. No bullish divergence, VWAP above the 0 line. And yeah, it looks like I would say short-term pump. You might come up and test this level again at about 20 cents before coming back down. UD, what is going on? Welcome to the stream. Kind of closing it out here, but only 72 likes. I think the likes are all jacked up. We're at 250, guys. Run it up to 300 for 3 spins on the wheel. And speaking of the wheel, we are going to cut it here because I do have to go film that BitBoy crypto video. So let's check on our poll. So let's see. Okay, so you guys just want to announce the NFT winners today. That is totally fine. I'm down. Random. All right, so let's go ahead and pull up our giveaway picker, and let's go ahead and give me 1 second, guys. Gonna pull all the info from the YouTube channel so we can pick our random winner. Come on, baby, come on. Bada boom, bada boom. Gonna click this. You guys might hear my voice. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. It's just a little Frankie Candles voice. No big deal. All right. And let me just grab this. Bada boom. Bada bing. This is, no, we want comment. Bada boom, baby. I should have gotten this done beforehand, guys. Sorry about that. Let's pull this in here. Okay. Boom. We're gonna pick our winners first, and then we will spin the wheel. All right. Let's go ahead and let's get the comments. Bada boom. Oh, what am I doing here? We got to go to here. Come on. Come on, internet. You can do it. You can do it. Bada boom. All right. Boom. Filter duplicates. Include no replies. Okay. Boom. Get YouTube comments. Bada boom, baby. 30. Filter duplicate users. What? Oh, no. Whoops. Oops. Yeah, 30 comments. I thought we had more comments on that video. I just want, guys, let me just check on this real quick because I want to make sure. Okay, yeah, I guess that's right. Bada boom. Right, this is 3. Oh no, okay, never mind. Okay, good thing I checked that. This is the wrong one. Bear with me, guys. I just want to make sure everybody gets their fair chance to win here. I don't want to pick from the wrong comment section. That would be unfair. I was gonna say that seemed a little. That seemed like too few comments. That did not seem right. All right, here we go. This should be better. Boom. Okay, let's go. 99 comments, 115 comments. That makes way more sense. All right, guys. let's go ahead and pick our winners. For the first, this is going to be the first NFT winner. Let's go ahead and pick our winner now. Let's get it. Let's get it. Who we got? Who we got? Who we got? Ryan Niaz. Ryan Niaz. Wow. Ryan looks a little too young to be on YouTube. I'm not going to lie. All right. So let's see. Ryan Niaz. Boom. All right. Ryan, if you are in here, you have won our Cardano NFT giveaway, or one of our Cardano NFT giveaways. You're going to have to go. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry. I see you. My chat was hidden. I'm sorry. Thank you, Tyler. I'm hoping it will pump it. Okay. All right. So, Ryan, if you're in here, go ahead and get yourself a Nami wallet and go ahead and get in touch with Tyler on Discord. Send him your Discord name or get in touch with him. He'll get you in touch with me. We'll get your Nami wallet address, and I will go ahead and drop that NFT into your wallet. And maybe it's a Ada Ninja, I think it was. But we're going to get some cool NFTs. It's going to be a surprise. But yeah, so Ryan, if you're in here, definitely get in touch with Tyler. And we're not going to give your NFT away. We'll give you have plenty of time to reach out to us. So no worries. Now let's go ahead and pick our second winner. Here we go. Who's it going to be? V-Slim, Peebo. Who's it going to be? Matt? Cameron Fletcher. I don't know if Cameron Fletcher is in here, but you won a Cardano NFT. Same goes for you. Download Nami Wallet if you're seeing this, and get in touch with Tyler Durden so you can win your, so I can send you your NFT. So there you go. Let me just write this down. I know Tyler is probably on this, but I'm just going to write this down. Cameron Fletcher NFT. All right. Now, let's go ahead. And then we have 2 or 3 people to pick for me to follow on Instagram. Let's go ahead and pick those. Who do we got? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Tyler Durden. Tyler, I'll go ahead and follow you on Instagram anyway, and then we'll pick somebody else. We'll pick 3 more people. So Tyler, let me know your Instagram name. I'll follow you. Shout out to Tyler. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Lisa Byram. Lisa Byram, I don't know if you're watching either, but I'm going to follow you on Instagram. We just need your Instagram name. If you're in our Discord, reach out and let us know your Instagram name so I can follow you. Lisa Byram. All right. Our next follow winner. Here we go. These are rigged. Lol. My day will come. Sam Hollis. Unfamiliar names here, guys. Unfamiliar names. I wish there was a way to pick people from chat so we could pick people who are live in chat. But Sam Hollis, you have won a follow. I will follow you on Instagram. If you're in here, reach out on Discord. If you're not here, hopefully you see this at some point so you can reach out on Discord and give us your name so I can give you a follow. All right, please be somebody in the stream right now so we can get a little excited. Peebo, I just shouted you out. I was like, is it going to be Peebo? And look at that. Here you are, Peebo. Reach out. If you could reach out to me, guys, I'm still learning Discord. If you could reach out to me, just message me on Discord. If you can't message me, then message Tyler and he'll get you in touch with me. And I'll follow you. Peebo, let's get it. Boom. So let me just get these all in one thing. Bada boom, bada bing. Let's get it. Yeah, Bring Live is where the sauce is. Yeah, at Being Live is where the sauce is. Absolutely. Peebo, shout out to you, brother. I will definitely, reach out on Discord and we'll get you a follow. All right, guys. Now let's go ahead and pull up our wheel of pain and pleasure. And let's spin this dang thing. Here we go. Let's see. What do we got? 261 likes. Wow, low numbers tonight, guys. I think everybody's out partying. It is Friday. But lower your volume because this thing is annoying. But let's go ahead and give it a little spin ski. Bada boom, bada bing. What do we got? Do I get the night off? Do I have a night off? Somebody let me know. Do I have a night off? I'm gonna hold off on doing these. Crypto Jeb sending me follow requests. Someone please make him stop. Let's see. He's gone for a shower. Okay. Looks like XRP is moving. Peebo, congrats. Yeah, let me know, guys. Am I doing the jumping jacks or do I get the night off? I think I landed on night off yesterday. I don't even know if I used it. I don't know if I used it last night. Here's spin number 2, baby. Spin number 2. And it's a giveaway. Look at that, guys. Wait, what? Did that not land on giveaway? How is that? Oh my God. That is so close. Guys, I guess I'll give you an ASMR. Hey guys, I sincerely want to apologize for that rug pull on the giveaway. I celebrated too early. Really sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Oh, XRP is popping. XRP is popping. XRP is popping. Let's check it. Boom! There it goes, baby. There it goes. I told you. I told you guys. I told you guys. You got to wait for the retest. You got to wait for the retest, and then you get the pop ski up. Let's get it, guys. We literally just saw this happen. So we called it. We're going to say we called it. I mean, we did. Did we not? I mean, we did. I said, you come up, you bing, you bong, you bing, you bong, you break out, you don't enter a trade, you wait for the retest, you enter here, and boom. So we're giving you guys good information here on the Frankie Candles YouTube channel. $135 people in here, guys. Low numbers today. Not good for my self-esteem. But guys, I think that's all I got for today, guys. Thank you all for being here. I hope some of you got into an XRP trade here. Like I said, not that you guys should be just listening to someone else for when you should trade. But I mean, that is just textbook what we said was going to happen. So I hope some of you caught that. Exactly as I predicted. Yes, Wave Cypher, absolutely. It's Friday, Jazz. Yeah, I guess the Friday streams don't perform as well. But don't worry about the numbers, man. The content was fire. Let's go. Great show, Frankie. I appreciate all of you guys. Listen, guys. Again, it happened this week, so I feel like I have to say thank you one more time, guys. 10,000 followers or 10,000 subscribers. I love each and every single one of you so much. CandleMafia is so strong. Thank you guys for supporting me on the morning stream today. You guys are the best. I hope you guys caught that XRP trade. That's all I got. Set your stop limits. What was I going to say? Set your stop losses. Use good risk management, guys. That's all I got. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong.
Tyler Ramos.